Immigration Service. We hope on your product. Thank you. Dear fans, Smyrna Zvezda, the management of the stadium, the security personnel, and the policy of Odessa strictly advise not to leave your area during the game and not to enter into the field. In case of an upset information, your return at home will be under the law of the Immigration Service. We hope on your product. Smyrna Zvezda.
Что это было?